Guys, welcome to another video. So today is the Nutty Nail Co collab day again. So the theme for this collab is designer nails, which was chosen by my buddy Cammy. As most of you guys know, I love designer nails, so I was really excited for this one. So you'll see I just showed you there. I'm starting off by giving all 4 nails a coat of Madam Glam's Cream Donut. This is a beautiful base colour, guys. I've always gone for Spring in Paris as a nail bed kind of base colour, but I think this is probably now my favourite. I'd say Spring in Paris has got us more of a slight pinker tone, where this has got more of a creamy nude tone, but both of them are really beautiful colours. So once I've finished applying that on all 4 nails, I'm going to pop them in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Right guys, so I'm going to give these all a wipe with some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free pad, because we're going to be sticking stickers onto these, and stickers don't stick very well on the tacky layer of gel polish. So I've pulled out these Gucci stickers. So that's that one done. This one's going to be a real pain in my jacksie. I can see it now. I think I'm going to leave that middle one till the end, guys, because that's going to be quite awkward to do. So this one, I'm going to use this snake here. I think this is so cool because it's going to look like it's going in and out of the nail. And on this one, we're going to have the words Gucci right up the side of the nail. So I want that about there. Like that. I'm going to try and get that to match up. This is the difficult bit. And that gap at the top, guys, I'm not worried about that because I'm hoping the crystals were going to cover that gap. Now I'm just going to go in with metal file. Just run up them side walls just to get rid of any excess that I've missed with the scissors. So that's all the stickers applied. Now I think I want to do some shading here, just so that looks a bit more realistic, like it's going in and out of the nail. So to do shading, I'm going to pop a little bit of Perfect Black on my palette, and I'm going to mix a little bit of base coat with it, and that will make it nice and sheer, because this doesn't want to be full on black, it just wants to be a shadow. So all I'm going to do is do a little kind of the letter C sort of shape going around that bit of the snake where it looks like it's going in and out the nail. Like that. Right guys, so these are now ready for some top coat. So I'm going to be using the Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny top coat. And I think I'm going to have these shiny for a change. I think, but you know me guys, I could change my mind at the last minute. So we'll see what the pictures look like at the end to see if I change my mind or not, shall we? So I'm just going to do a little red and green cuticle cluster, and I'm just sticking them into that uncured top coat. Just like that. And I'm just going to pop a couple of gold caviar beads between the crystals. Them crystals have covered that gap perfect, haven't they? And I'm going to stick this beautiful charm here. Now if I was sticking this on my nails, guys, I would definitely use gem glue. But because it's only on my practice hand, I'm not going to bother. And then cure those in the lamp for 30 seconds and that'll be them done. So there we are guys, that is them all finished. What do you think? I like them, I really like them. Again, it's a set I wish I'd done on my nails. I was going to do these on my nails as well, but I never got around to doing an infill on mine, so Gucci ended up with them again, as usual. She always ends up with the bestest sets, don't she? Like I said, guys, I created these as part of the Nutty Nail Co collab, the theme being designer nails. As always, for these collabs, I shall leave the names to everyone who's taken part in my description box below. There'll also be a playlist pinned in my comments of everyone who has done videos. Everything that I've used today, I shall leave listed in my description box below, along with any discount codes that I've got. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.